Hello, welcome back to my recorded classes. So, this recorded video we are discussing quiz 1 answer key. Okay, that was from the topic 1.1 to 2.3 from the course Mathematics for Computing. So, we will discuss the quiz 1 answer key here from this course. Included topics 1.1, 1.2, 2.1, 2.2 and 2.3. So let's start the questions one by one. So the first question, construct a 2 by 3 matrix, capital A equal to Aij 2 by 3, whose elements are given by Aij equal to I square plus 2j. Okay, so here this question, we need to construct a 2 by 3 matrix, 2 by 3 order matrix. We need to construct it. 2 by 3 means we have 2 rows and 3 columns. Matrix we need to construct by using this rule, Aij equal to I square plus 2j. So let's start the question. So capital A equal to, we need to create a matrix 2 by 3. That means we have two rows, row number 1 and row number 2, and we have three columns, column number 1, column number 2 and column number 3, correct? So just we are writing the elements in the matrix generally. First element, first row, first column number A11, first row, second column number A12, and first row, third column A13. Similar way, second row, first column A21, and second row, second column A22, and second row, third column, that is A23. That means we need to calculate totally here 6 numbers. 2 multiply 3, that means 6 numbers we need to calculate one by one here. So let's start the calculation here. So we need to create this 2 by 3 matrix, 6 numbers. So first number is A11. Okay, let me calculate first this number A11. So Aij equal to, the rule is given in the question, I square, okay, plus 2 times j number. Okay, I square plus 2j. Actually, I means the row number and j means the column number. Okay, for example, let me start the first number. We need to calculate A11, correct? So A11 means Aij means what is the I number? I number is the first number, that is the row number, and j means the second number, that is the column number. So when we are constructing this number A11 equal to, we can just apply here I square. I number is 1, so 1 square plus 2 times j number is 1, correct? Because I is 1 and j is 1, so I square plus 2j means 1 square plus 2 multiply 1. So the answer you will get equal to 3. This is the first number. So in the matrix, first number we got, that is 3. A11 number, that is 3. Now similar way we need to calculate what is A12 number. A12 equal to, A12 means I number is 1, j number is 2, correct? First number is I, second number is j. So A12 again apply to the rule here, this rule, I square plus 2j. So I square means 1 square my plus 2 times j number is 2. Okay, so the answer you will get equal to 5, because 2 multiply 2 4, 4 plus 1, that is 5. So the second number we are getting equal to 5. Now we will go to the third number, that is A13. Similar way, A13 means I number is 1 and j number is 3. So we can apply again I square, that is 1 square plus 2 times j number is 3, correct? So 2 multiply 3, 6, 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7. So we got the third number equal to 7 here. Now we will go to second row numbers, A21. A21 equal, A21 means I number is 2, j number is 1, correct? So I square means 2 square plus 2 times j number is 1. So the answer you will get 4 square plus 2. 4 square plus 2 means, 2 square 4, 4 plus 2 means 6. So the second row first number is 6. Now similar way A22. I number is 2 and j number is 2. So I square means 2 square plus 2 times j number also 2. So 2 square 4, 2 multiply 2 4, 4 plus 4, answer we will get 8. So the second number here in the second row is 8. Now similar way A 2 3 second row third column number. So I number is 2, j number is 3. Okay, so A23 equal to I square. I square means 2 square plus 2 times j number is we have j number here, j number is 3. So 2 multiply 3. So 2 multiply 3 6, 2 square 4. So 4 plus 6, that is 10. So the last number we are getting equal to 10. So this is the required 2 by 3 matrix in this question. Hope you understood this question. Okay, just a 2 by 3 matrix construction. It is easy question. Now we will go to the second question. Question number 2. Let capital A equal to matrix 4 3 minus 1 6 0 1. Okay, you know it is a 2 by 3 matrix. 2 rows and 3 columns are there. Find A transpose multiply A plus I, where I is an identity matrix of order 3. Okay, so we need to do this question. So what is actually we need to calculate? First A multiply A transpose multiply A we need to calculate, then plus add with the identity matrix I matrix. I is an identity matrix of order 3. Order 3 means 3 by 3 matrix, square matrix 3 by 3. So first we will see what is A transpose here. Okay, A transpose equal to matrix. What we are doing, A matrix we need to calculate the transpose. That means the first row. Okay, write it as first column. Okay, first row we are writing as first column. That is 4, 3 and minus 1. Similar way, second row write it as second column. What is second row? 6 0 1. So write it as second column 6 0 1. So this is the A transpose matrix. Okay, transpose of the A matrix, interchanging rows and columns. Now also you know what is the identity matrix here. I is a identity matrix. I is an identity matrix of order 3. Order 3 means it is a 3 by 3 identity matrix. So what is 3 by 3 identity matrix actually? 1 0 0 and 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix of order 3, correct? 3 by 3 identity matrix. Now let me start the calculation here. We need to calculate, what is our question is that we need to calculate A transpose multiply A plus identity matrix. Okay, plus identity matrix. That means first you need to calculate this multiplication. A transpose matrix we need to multiply with the A. After that, whatever matrix we got answer here, add with plus identity matrix. Identity matrix already we know, this is the identity matrix, correct? So we need to add with that identity matrix. So we will do one by one. First we will calculate what is A transpose multiply A. Okay, so A transpose multiply A equals, okay, first I am writing A transpose matrix. What is A transpose matrix? Just we calculated, that is 4 6 3 0 4 6 3 0 and 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 and 1, multiply with the A matrix. Okay, now we are writing A matrix. What is the A matrix? Actually it is given in the question, 4 3 minus 1. So 4 3 minus 1 and second row 6 0 1. We need to multiply these two matrices. Okay, so first we need to know is it possible or not, this multiplication. You can check it on the side. What is the A transpose matrix? The first matrix order. First matrix order 3 by 2 matrix. We have 3 rows. Okay, we have R1 R2 R3. We have 3 rows and 2 columns, column 1 and column number 2, correct? Now similar way, what is the order of the second matrix? Second matrix is, it is 2 rows. This is R1, this is R2 and column 1, column 2 and column 3. That means it is a 2 by 3 matrix, correct? So 2 by 3 matrix. Now if you need to multiply two matrices, you know the second number here, it is same as the first number here. It should be same, then only we can multiply, correct? Now, when we are multiplying the answer matrix, okay, A transpose multiply A matrix, what will be the order of the answer matrix is that this will be the order. That means it should be a 3 by 3 matrix, correct? This is the answer order of the answer matrix, okay? Answer matrix order is 3 by 3, it should be. So that means here we need to calculate a matrix, okay? That order should be 3 by 3 matrix, okay? Should be a 3 by 3 matrix. Hope you understood that one. So multiplication is possible. So we need to calculate the numbers first one, okay? One by one we need to calculate here. So 3 by 3 means how many rows will come? First row, second row and third row. First column, second column and third column, correct? It is the 3 by 3 matrix. Now what are the numbers we need to calculate? First we need to multiply R1 C1, first row with first column, correct? R1 C1. And same way first row with the second column, first row with the third column, R1 C3, second row with the first column, R2 C2 and R2 C3, correct? Then R3 C1, then R3 C2, then R3 C3. So we need to calculate these 9 numbers one by one, okay? 9 numbers we need to calculate. So that we will get that is the 3 by 3 matrix here, okay? So we need to calculate the first number here, second number here, third number here, okay? And similar way second row and third row, correct? These 9 numbers one by one we need to calculate here. So let us start the multiplication process here. First R1 C1, first we need to calculate R1 C1. R1 C1 means, what is the meaning? The first row, okay, this is the row number 1, this is the row number 2, this is the row number 3, okay? First matrix we are taking rows and second matrix we are taking columns, column 1, column number 2 and column number 3, okay? This is the process we are doing multiplication. So what we are doing, first row number we need to multiply with the first column number, that is calling R1 C1. So I am writing that multiplication steps on this side. First I am doing R1 C1 equal to, okay? So what is the R1 C1? I am just writing roughly here. First row is 4 6, multiply first column is 4 6, correct? 4 6, okay? Now equal to, what we are doing, the first number multiply with the first number plus second number multiply with the second number. So we will go that one. What is the first number here? 4, correct? Multiply first number here 4. So 4 multiply 4 plus second number multiply with the second number. What is second number here? 6. Here also 6. So 6 multiply 6, okay? So 4 multiply 4 plus 6 multiply 6, okay? You will get the answer equal to 4 multiply 4 means 16. 6 multiply 6, 36. So we will get 52 as the answer, okay? 52. So the first number we got here, R1 C1 is 52. I am writing here 52. Now similar way we need to calculate the other numbers. Next one we need to calculate R1 C2, okay? Some multiplication I will show here, remaining you can try. So R1 C2, first row, that means 4 6, we need to multiply with second column. What is second column actually? 3 0, correct? 3 0. Second column means here second column number 2, that is 3 0. First row same 4 6, multiply with the second column. So what we are getting answer, first number 4, multiply the first number 3 plus second number multiply with the second number 6 multiply 0. So the answer becomes equal to 12, correct? So the second number we got here, that is 12. Hope you are clear. Now similar way third number we are multiplying, third number we are calculating. R1 multiply with C3, first row multiply with the third column. What is the first row? Same 4 6, multiply with the third column. Third column means minus 1 and 1, correct? Minus 1 and 1. This is the third column, C3, minus 1 and 1 here. So when we are multiplying, we can check it. The first number 4, multiply first number minus 1 plus second number 6, multiply second number 1. So we will get answer 4 multiply minus 1 means minus 4, 6 multiply 1 means 6. So we will get answer equal to 2. So the third number also we got equal to 2 here. So I hope you understood how to multiply the first row, the multiplication process. I hope it is clear. So what we are doing, the first row multiply first with the column number 1, first row multiply with the column number 2, first row multiply with the column number 3. Now similar way we need to do the second row. Okay, now we are going to the second row. Second row we need to multiply with the column number 1, with the column number 2 and with the column number 3, correct? So we need to do separately this one, R1 C2 and R1 C1, sorry, R2 C1, R2 C2 and R2 C3. Okay, so see, let me show here. Second row multiply with the first column, second row multiply with the second column, second row multiply with the third column. These three number we need to calculate. For example, what is the second row here? 3 0, correct? 3 0. Multiply the first column. What is the first column? 4 6. So we need to multiply this one 4 6. Okay, and same way second row, that is 3 0, multiply with the second column. What is second column? 3 0, correct? So 3 0, we need to multiply this one. Same way second row 3 0, same, multiply with the column number 3. Column number 3 means minus 1 and 1. So minus 1 1. So you will get the third number here. Okay, you can check it, that one first number with the first number plus second number with the second number. When we are multiplying, we will get answer here it is 12 and here we will get 9 and here we will get minus 3. Okay, hope you clear the multiplication you can do. Now similar way we need to do the calculation with the third row. That means third row with the column number 1 and third row with the column number 2 and third row with the column number 3 equal to. What is the third row actually? Third row means this one, minus 1 1, correct? So minus 1 1 multiply with the first column. First column is 4 6. Okay, and third row, that means minus 1 1 multiply with the second column 3 0, and same ways the third row minus 1 1 with the third column, that is minus 1 1. So here similar way if you are calculating, you will get the answer first number 2, second number minus 3 and third number it is equal to 2. Okay, so let me write the matrix here. So we calculated all the numbers. So what is the matrix we are getting? First row 52, 12 and 2. Second row 12, 9 and minus 3. And third row 2, minus 3 and 2. Okay, so this calculation already we discussed here, the same calculation. So we get now A transpose multiply A matrix. Only we got A transpose multiply A, correct? But what is our question actually? A transpose multiply A plus I plus identity matrix after that. Okay, now we are going to do the last step here. A transpose multiply A matrix plus identity matrix equal to. So what we got? A transpose multiply A matrix 52, 12 and 2. Just now we got it. And 12, 9, minus 3, 2, minus 3 and 2 plus identity matrix of order 3. What is identity matrix of order 3? Initially we wrote 1 0 0 and 0 1 0 0 0 1. So when we are adding, we will get answer equal to. Okay, we know how to add two matrices. Add these two matrices. Adding means the first number add with the first number. 52 plus 1, that is 53. Okay, then second number with the second number. What is second number? 12. 12 plus 0, that is 12, same. Third number with the third number, 2 plus 0, that is 2. Then next row same, 12 plus 0, that is 12. 9 plus 1, that is 10. Minus 3 plus 0, minus 3. And third row 2 plus 0, that is 2. Minus 3 plus 0, minus 3. And 2 plus 1, that is 3. So this is the answer, 53, 12, 2, 12, 10 minus 3 and 2 minus 3, 3. So this is the answer, A transpose multiply A plus identity matrix. Okay, hope you understood that one. Now we will go to the third question. What is the third question actually? Write the vector v as a linear combination of the vectors u1, u2 and u3. Okay, write the vector v as the linear combination of the vectors u1, u2 and u3. Now as you know, these vectors all from the space. We have x, y, z, correct? We have three numbers. So vectors are in the space. Now in space, we know the linear combination, how to write that one. So vector v we need to express in terms of u1, u2 and u3. So what is the linear combination? Just assume that vector v equal to x multiply vector u1 plus y multiply vector u2 plus z multiply vector u3. Okay, where x, y, z are scalars, we need to calculate that number. Okay, we need to calculate what is x and y and z, these three scalar number. Okay, so that we can write the linear combination exists. If linear combination exists, we can calculate these numbers x, y and z. Okay, once we calculated x, y, z, we can apply here. That is the linear combination. Okay, that is the linear combination of vector v in terms of u1, u2 and u3. This is what our question we need to do. So let me start the calculation here from this. Okay, step vector v equal to x u1 plus y u2 plus z u3. So we will apply the values whatever given in our question. Vector v is given. What is vector v? 2 comma minus 6 comma minus 3. Okay, equal to x multiply vector u1. What is vector u1? 1, 2 and 2 plus y multiply vector u2. What is vector u2? Minus 1 and 2 plus z multiply vector u3. That is 1, minus 1 and 1. Okay, just apply the vectors in the first step. Okay, now we can simplify. 2 minus 6 minus 3 equal to, okay, just multiply x to the inside each terms. We can simplify. X multiply 1 means x, x multiply 2 means 2x, x multiply 2 means 2x. Similar way the second also, y multiply minus 1 minus y, y multiply minus 1 minus y, y multiply 2, that is 2y plus, similar way third also, 1 multiply z, minus 1 multiply z minus z, 1 multiply z, is z. Okay, now again we are going to simplify. If left side same, 2 minus 6 minus 3 equals, okay, now we will add these three vectors. Okay, so first how to add the vectors? Add the first numbers here, x plus here minus y, here first is z. So first terms add. So x plus minus y means minus y plus z, that is the first element, comma. Now second numbers add. What are the second numbers? Here 2x. Okay, so 2x plus here minus y is second number, so minus y plus here minus z is the third number, so minus z, comma. Now third numbers add. What are the third numbers again? Here 2x. Okay, 2x, here 2y plus 2y and here also z, so plus z. Okay, plus z. So this is the vector in the right hand side. Three numbers, comma, we are writing. So this is the vector in the right hand side. Now what happened here in this step actually? Here we have left side we have one vector, right side we have another vector. In between, what is the sign here? Equal, correct? So these two vectors are equal, correct? So when we are telling two vectors are equal, first number should be same, second number should be same, and third number should be same, equal, correct? So that is the meaning vectors are equal. So equate the same time, first term equate, second term equate, third term equate. Okay, so what we can write? What is the first term here? Here the number is 2, correct? Here the number is 2. And here what is the term? X minus y plus z. So we can write x minus y plus z equal to 2. The first equation we are getting, first components take. Okay, So two vectors are equal means corresponding components are same. Okay, so x components are equal, first number equal. Now take the second numbers. What are the second number? Here minus 6, here 2x minus y minus z. Okay, 2x minus y minus z equal to, what is the left hand side? Minus 6. Okay, so equal to minus 6. Now same way third third component equate. Okay, so what are the third component? Here minus 3 and here 2x plus 2y plus z. Okay, 2x plus 2y plus z equal to, okay, 2x plus 2y plus z equal to minus 3. So we are getting a 3 by 3 system of equation. Okay, we have 3 equations and 3 unknowns. From here we need to calculate x equal to, y equal to and z equal to. Okay, so that we can write the linear combination. So we need to solve this equation, this 3 by 3 system. We can solve easily by using calculator. Okay, only we can firstly we can calculate by using calculator. For example, what we are doing in the calculator, I am using the calculator as I told you, FX 991 ES plus this calculator. So this calculator, when we are doing, just we need to press the mode button. I will write the procedure here. After that equation, okay, press mode button. After that equation means number 5. After that we need to select the number 2, because here we need to calculate 3 variables x, y, z. So in calculator you can see ANX plus BNY plus CNZ equal to DN. This button you can press. This is actually number 2. After that calculator, once you press number 2, calculator will ask the behind numbers in each equation. For example, first equation, what are the behind number you can write? First equation, x behind number 1, press equal to, y behind number minus 1, press equal to, z behind number 1, press equal to, right side number is 2. Okay, the first equation, x minus y plus z equal to 2. You know, this is the first equation. So x behind number 1, y behind number minus 1, z behind number 1 and right side number 2. Press equal to all the time whenever you are entering, go to the next number. Now from the second equation, same way, x behind number 2, press equal to. Okay, so press equal to. After that second equation, x behind number 2, y behind number minus 1, z behind number minus 1 and right side number minus 6 and press equal to again. Third equation, x behind number 2, y behind number 2, z behind number 1 and right side number is minus 3 and press equal to after that. Once you finish this press equal to, you will get what is the x value and what is the y value and what is the z value here. I hope you getting the numbers. What are the numbers actually? X equal to, we are getting minus 2, y equal to minus 1 and z equal to 3. Z equal to 3. Okay, if you want next number, always x number once you are getting, press equal, then only y it will go, press equal, it will go to the third number. So we got the x scalar numbers value, x equal to minus 2, y equal to minus 1 and z equal to 3 we are getting, correct? Now once you go to this number, now we can apply it to the rule here, apply to the linear combination step, vector v equal to x u1 plus y u2 plus z u3. We need to write the linear combination. So linear combination, okay, linear combination is vector v equal to x, x means minus 2 multiply vector u1 plus y, y means minus 1, correct? So minus 1 multiply vector u2 plus z, that is 3 multiply vector u3. Okay, so this is the linear combination in that question. I hope you clear this one. Okay. Now we will go to the third question. Fourth question. Consider the vectors. Vector u equal to 3, 1, minus 4, vector v equal to 2, 6, 3 and vector w equal to 0, 5, minus 1. What is the first question is prove that the vectors vector u and vector v are perpendicular vectors or orthogonal. Okay, prove that the vectors u and v are orthogonal or perpendicular vectors. So we studied the vector y when we are telling two vectors are perpendicular. What we need to do? We need to calculate vector u dot vector v. If you are getting answer 0, that vectors are perpendicular. Okay, u dot v equal to 0 means vectors are perpendicular vectors. That means angle between the two vectors is 90 degree. Now second question, find absolute u plus absolute v. Okay, absolute u, magnitude of the vector u and magnitude of the vector v. Okay, we need to calculate. We know the rule how to calculate magnitude, root of x square plus y square plus z square, correct? So we can calculate that one. And third question, we need to calculate one linear combination 4 vector u plus 3 times vector v minus 2 times vector w. Okay, so these three question we need to do here. So let me go to the a part of the question, fourth question, a part. So what is the a part of the question? Prove that the vectors u and v are perpendicular. Okay, so perpendicular means vector u dot v should be 0, correct? So we need to calculate what is vector u dot vector v. Vector u and vector v we need to check. Okay, so u dot v equal to, how we are calculating u dot v? X1 multiply x2 plus y1 multiply y2 plus z1 multiply z2. So equal to, okay, vector u is here, this is x1 y1 z1. Okay, vector, first vector x point, y point, z point. Same way v vector x2 y2 z2, x y z points. Okay, components. So x1 x2, what is x1 x2? 3 multiply 2 plus y1 y2 1 multiply 6 plus z1 z2 minus 4 multiply 3, correct? So we will get 3 multiply 2 6 plus 1 multiply 6 6 minus 4 multiply 3 minus 12. So 12 minus 12 equal to 0, correct? So u dot v, we are getting the answer equal to 0. That means what we can say, vector u and vector v are perpendicular, correct? Are perpendicular. I hope you understood the first part. Dot product 0 means that two vectors are perpendicular vectors. Okay, now let me go to the second question, part B. B part, we need to do magnitude of vector u plus magnitude of vector v equal to how much? That is the question. So I can do here, first what is magnitude of vector u, then magnitude of vector v. I can do on this side. What is the u vector given in the question? Actually equal to vector u equals 3 1 minus 4. 3 1 minus 4. What is vector v is given in our question? Vector v is 2 6 3. So 2 6 and 3. Now first magnitude of vector u, that means root of, we know the rule, x square plus y square plus z square. That means root of, what is the x number there? 3. 3 square plus 1 square plus minus 4 square, correct? Minus 4 number should be in bracket. So we will get the answer, that is equal to root 26. Okay, root 26. Now similar way we need to calculate what is absolute v. The rule is same, root of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, so root of x y z in v vector x y z means 2 6 3, correct? So x square means 2 square plus y square means 6 square plus z square means 3 square. So we will get the answer when we are using calculator, root 49. Now we can apply here. So we are writing what is absolute u plus absolute v. Absolute u is root 26 plus absolute v, magnitude of vector v means root 49. So you can use the calculator for simplification. Approximately we will get to 12.0901951, correct, or approximately 12.1. Okay, we can write the magnitude of that 2 plus absolute u plus absolute v value. So this is the second part of the question. Now I will go to the third part of the question. What is the third part? We need to calculate 4 times vector u plus 3 times vector v minus 2 times vector w. Okay, 4u plus 3v minus 2 times w. Okay, let me go to the C part here. 4 times vector u plus 3 times vector v minus 2 times vector w equals. So we will substitute 4 times vector u apply. Vector u means it is already given 3 1 minus 4, correct. Yeah, 3 1 minus 4 plus 3 times vector v. Vector v means 2 6 3 minus 2 times vector w 0 5 minus 1. Vectors are from space. Now we need to simplify. Equal to, multiply 4 to inside each numbers. So 4 multiply 3, that is 12. 4 multiply 1 4. 4 multiply minus 4 minus 16 plus the similar way the second vector 3 multiply 2 inside. So 3 multiply 2 6. 3 multiply 6 18. 3 multiply 3 9 minus the third vector 2 multiply 2 inside. 2 multiply 0. 2 multiply 5 and 2 multiply minus 1. So 2 multiply 0 0. 2 multiply 5 10. 2 multiply minus 1 minus 2. If you want you can multiply minus also inside, but we need to write here plus that time. Okay, so equal to, now add these two vectors, we will get the answer here. We can add. So the vector, how to add the vectors? First numbers add. What are the first numbers here? 12 plus 6 minus 0, correct. 12 plus 6 minus 0 means 18, first number. Now same way second numbers. What are the second number? Here 4, here plus 18, 4 plus 18 minus 10. Here this minus sign is important, minus 10. Okay, so we will get to 12. 22 minus 10, that is 12. Now the third number, here minus 16, here plus 9, here minus of minus 2. Outside one minus is there, inside minus is minus of minus 2. So minus 16 plus 9 plus 2, we will get minus 5. Okay, minus 16 plus 11, that is minus 5. So this is the linear combination 4u plus 3v minus 2w. I hope you understood this question also. So here we are answered 4 questions from the topics 2.1 to 2.3 sections. I hope you understood this idea. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.